Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with a new video, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to pin post to the top of the Facebook page and group. So without any further ado, let's start. First of all, open your Facebook app on your device. Once you open that, log into your Facebook account, and after that switch your account to the Facebook page. For that, tap on the three line icon from the upper right corner. Here under the menu section you will see your profile. Along with that you will see arrow, so tap on that arrow. So switch your account to your page. Once you land on your page, now go to your page profile by tapping on the profile icon from the upper left corner. You will land on your profile. Scroll down. Now to pin your post at the top of the Facebook page, go to that post that you have already shared on your page, and from that post at the right side of your screen you will see three dot icon. Tap on that. A dialog box will pop up. Now in order to pin your post, but if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get further updates from our channel. Now once you see this dialog box, from there tap on pin post. That will pin your post to the top of your Facebook page like this. And if you want to unpin that, again tap on three dot icon again, and then there you will see unpinned post. If you tap on there, your post will be again unpinned. So this is how you can simply pin post to the top of the Facebook page. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.